Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to see if I can repair this old Archer Joypad. As you can see, there is a part missing in the middle of the D-pads that should act as a joystick. After searching a bit online, we can see that this joypad actually originally came with two joysticks. The first one is very small and seems to me quite useless. The second one is bigger, and this is the one I am going to attempt to replicate. But before we do that, first I am going to open it, clean everything, and check if the interior is still okay. So let's dig in. So, I may not have the joystick, but what I do have is this small metal bolt that was used to fit the plastic part of the joystick. I will measure this to know how big the hole must be in the plastic part to fit in nicely. The next step is to find out how big the original joystick was. For this I found this website called Image Measurement. I was lucky enough to come across this photo with the joypad and joystick next to each other. Now all I have to do is give in a reference measurement, in this case the size of the joypad, and then I can start measuring on the joystick. I took as many measurements that were necessary to recreate the joystick as accurately as possible. I just made a small drawing by hand and put all the measurements on there. And now, with the help from Autodesk Fusion 360, I will attempt to recreate the piece. I have done some simple designings in the past, so I do have some basic knowledge of this program. Let's see if I can come close to the original. And now it's up to my 3D printer to make the part. The printer is a Creality Ender 3. It is connected to a Raspberry that is running Octoprint. With that setup, I can control the printer from anywhere and easily transfer the files to the printer. The camera lets me make these cool videos and can also provide a live view, so I can check if the print is doing okay. And so here it is. I am pretty pleased with the result. It's not 100% perfect, but the filament I used for this piece was not so good anymore, so I am happy that the part is fully printed. I have already managed to push the bolt in there with a lot of force, and it's actually pretty tight, so that's not coming loose anytime soon. All I have to do now is screw it back in place, and then I can do some gaming. So that was it. The handling in the game was actually better than I expected. So I will be definitely using this joystick in the future again. Until next time, bye!